Good afternoon, this is Mike Palmer from Mike Palmer Homes. I've been documenting this house as it goes along. So this is going to be an addition onto our septic video. We did a pretty good video on the septic field, a T&J panel. So I showed you these holes before. Show you, this is the outlet port for the house. That part sticking up there is a clean out, just in case something gets stuck. Goes into here, you've got a tracer. You got a tracer wire. In case you got to find it and go back later. This is the septic tank. Okay, it's got 2 holes in it. Now, there's stuff all over we're working on, but you can see this is the outlet port. Right there, but you see how it, I don't know if you can see that. Get down here. So that is the outlet port. What happens is all the liquid goes in there, but sometimes things get flushed down the toilet and they float on top, so you don't want that to clog the screen. So there's actually a port down lower than the surface, but as it fills up, it forces the water, the liquid, the effluent, through this tube out into our pump tank. It's our pump tank, where our fine young gentlemen are working away at it. Don't worry, I won't put you on the video. And then the liquid goes in here, and oh, there's a gentleman down there. Good, this is an unused tank, so nice and clean. But the unused liquid goes in there. Then over here, they're installing the pump. And these covers, you will have what's called a riser, which is just an extension, and that comes up to the top of the ground so you can access it so it's not buried underground. So in here, they're doing all plumbing for a pump. You have a cutoff valve. Your pump's down here?
Yep, correct.
Submersible pump?
Submersible pump, yes sir.
Yep. There's your rope for access later.
Yep.
And then this...
What you call a float tree.
That's your float tree, okay.
Yes, sir. Keep
your floats in there. And the cutoff valve, that's for working on it?
Yep, cutoff valve, flow this way, and you got your union here if you ever need to disconnect and pull it apart. That's what that's for. Okay,
that's your quick disconnect.
That's correct.
So if you have to ever work on it, it's all set up. And this has the concrete on the bottom, keep the floats from, keep that down at the bottom. So as the floats go up, they have something to anchor them. Okay, so this is about halfway full. This will all be filled up, and this is going to go
straight toward that pile and across.
Okay, back through the easement. All right, so thank you guys for that. These guys have been working away here. This has not been an easy septic system. Anyway, this is going to go straight back through the yard. There's an easement area over there for this where we can go over to the next lot. Over here where our field is. Field is over here. They covered that all up. I'm going to try to add this to the previous video so that, see where the field is. You see that open area over there. They've covered it all with soil. That's just going to have grass on it, biomat, and that's where all the liquid's going to go. So, in case you wondered, what is in all these systems? That shows it to you. I hope this was complete enough. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us. And if you like learning about these things and want to hit the like and subscribe button, we don't get upset at that. Thanks for watching.